In this video, I'm going to show us how to get started on our Adobe Illustrator CNC project. It should be a fun project for you to create some stuff on the laser in the back of the room. So, starting out, it is found down below in our graphic design folder. This is the first time I've been in the graphic design folder. There might be some other things in there that we're not going to use yet, but clicking into that, we will find on top the 1.6 Illustrator CNC project. Now, kind of like a little blurb here about what's going on. You will be creating a keychain, backpack tag, or earrings, possibly other ideas. If you have things you're thinking about that you think that would fit in this space that you're going to be given, just talk to me. That will be engraved and cut out by the laser. We will now understand how computer controls machines to make objects. This process is called computer numerically controlled, or CNC machining. Down below will be the link to this playlist. It's not there yet. This is my first one that I made, or first video. But to get started here, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to download the template. So we have a template here for Adobe Illustrator. If you click on it, it's going to take us to a link that you can't do anything with as far as a compatible file. We can't do anything from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go and download this. Alright. After we download it, it places it over here in our download file as long as we're using Google Chrome. The next thing that we want to do is get it to a place where it's going to save over and over again. And for that, for us, that is going to be our H drive on our computer. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize my window. Make it minimized. Remember, you can make it bigger and smaller once you move it into a window mode. And I want to be able to find my H drive, which should be on our desktop. I got a few other things open up right now, as I always do. At the same time, it is located right here. Double clicking my H drive to get into it, or for you guys, dragging and dropping that laser TIG IT will work just fine. So getting in here, clicking, dragging, dropping. Alright. Once we get our piece in, we can double click it to open it up. It's going to open up in Adobe Illustrator. And the first thing that we're going to do once it gets opened is we are going to name it so we know what it is. Also, this process right here doesn't always happen perfectly for anyone. The first time you're getting into Adobe Illustrator, if things aren't working well for you, or if it's not giving you you don't have the license, talk to me and we'll get that fixed right away. Now, what we are looking at here is a 2-inch by 2-inch space that we're going to be able to design whatever it is we're making for our project here in this next process. But this is the video about getting started. Hope it helps. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Rename this thing first before you leave. File. Save as. Remember, we named this the hour first, so I'm just going to go third hour. And then your login name. And then 00. And followed by, this is going to be our CNC. That's all we have to do. Hit save. Okay. Thanks for watching.